Good morning, beautiful people. I want to share with you what I eat when I want to lose weight and shrink my stomach. It works every time. Along with my intermittent fasting, this is what I do. I eat these right here. These organic brown rice snaps, unsalted plain. This is what I eat with deli turkey. I'll put the package. I don't have the package of the deli turkey. I'll put it on the screen. That's what I eat right here. So I break up the turkey, put it on the crackers. And I make little sandwiches out of it. This is what I eat right here. Along with some very delicious blueberries. These are organic blueberries. Of course, you can get anywhere. So that's what I eat. It's very delicious. That's what I eat. If my cravings for carbs are really high, then I'll eat it with a piece of cheese and some crackers. These right here. Table water crackers. These don't have no sugar in them. And very little sodium. 80 milligrams of sodium for 4 crackers. That's what I eat. That, the piece of cheese and the turkey. If my cravings are really high for carbs. But these right here, they won't raise your blood sugar, won't raise your cholesterol, nothing. It's very healthy breakfast, satisfying, and this is how you shrink your stomach. You notice I only eat 3, and this is the max that I eat right here. So when my cravings are high, I'll take a piece of the deli turkey, a whole slice, with a piece of cheese. I'll put it on a cracker. I'll eat this. This doesn't look satisfying, but it is. It's very satisfying. And that's my breakfast. When I want to shrink my stomach and lose weight, and I eat this every day. It's very satisfying. You won't get sleepy. You know how some breakfasts you eat and you want to go take a nap right after? You won't with this. This will give you energy. You'll have energy at least till lunchtime or even later. Okay, so that's what I eat. That's what I eat. Just want to share it with you. And so this has helped me lose. Eating like this has helped me lose about 100 pounds in the past. And so, okay, just want to share that with you. Okay. So, talk to you later.